Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be taking a look at the light array tool in JLTools. Alright, so here we are in the scene with this car, and right here we have our light. So we'll get out of here for a second, we'll zoom out, and we'll take a look at that. Let's make sure that we have our light on here, and then we can do the light array. And as you can see, the light array is right here. We have a grid, so we can choose from array type, line, and circle. So if we choose line, this is what it looks like. We have uniform scale, the number of copies that you want in between. We also have circle, and then the number as well. So we'll go back to grid. Let's add a couple more. And this one is just going to move the transforms up. We can go up, side, Z. We can move the rotation. And the lights themselves, they actually stay towards how this light is right now. So, well, this light is right now facing this way, but what I mean is that we can rotate, and those lights will also rotate with it. All right, so we'll just leave that to 0. If we go and make this 0, we could also randomize by the position. So we can click on Y and click on randomize. What we want to do is tweak the amplitude, and now we can move our lights up and down, and the seed will move it, randomize the positions as well. Now we have another thing here called look at. If we turn it on, it's going to snap into origin. So it's going to look at the origin. So these lights, no matter how much we move it up and down, they're always going to look at that point. So if you want to expression link an object, you can do so there. And then that way the light follows that object. The next thing is the intensity. So we could do a constant intensity, and we can change the intensity there. Let me just add a grid real quick so we can see what that looks like, and we'll scale this up. And right now we're not getting a preview for it. We're gonna have to, let's remove look at, and we're gonna have to look at it through the render. We'll just use the render there, and we'll maybe lower the amount of lights. Now we got this amount. Perfect. And so yeah, going back, we have the intensity here, and we have the color, or we could choose random intensity. So now right now it's just doing black and white. So this is minimum and max, a little bit of ramp intensity there. You can maybe have it pop up, and then this randomizes the different lights that have different intensities, the seed there. And if we wanted to change the color, we can just go to light colors and go on the wheel, choose this one here, black body, and that's how that works. And then we can randomize the color as well. So now we can just disconnect this and go back into the main merge and connect this to the look dev here. So we'll double click on our light to get there, and now we have that there. Perfect. So I don't need that kind of guide there. And from there, we could just keep working on it, change the light, mess with the intensity, change it to a different color here, change it to a line, circle, bring the circle down, the number of copies, constant intensity. That turns off the light colors because that's from the randomize. And we could just choose the white and then go with that, or go back to grid and then lower the intensity. So yeah, that's how that tool works. And if you found this video useful, be sure to hit the like button. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. That way you don't miss out on the next video. All right, guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.